Imagine this. The average avocado contains more fat than a slice of bacon. That's right. Despite their creamy texture and rich flavor, avocados are among the fattiest plant foods you can eat. So, does that mean eating them will sabotage your weight loss goals? Or is it possible that avocados, with all their luscious fat, could actually help you burn more fat? Let's dive into the fascinating world of avocados and uncover the truth behind their reputation as a superfood for weight management. In a world where weight loss advice seems to change by the week and dietary trends come and go, it's easy to get confused. We're told to avoid fat, then to embrace it, then to avoid it again. Amid all the noise, avocados have carved out a unique place in the conversation, celebrated for their delicious taste and touted as a diet-friendly food. But can they really help you burn fat? For decades, people have faced a common struggle, trying to shed extra pounds while navigating a sea of conflicting information. One of the biggest misconceptions is that eating fat automatically makes you gain fat. This fat phobia has led many to steer clear of foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil in favor of low-fat alternatives that often lack flavor and sometimes nutritional value. But as our understanding of nutrition evolves, so does our perception of healthy fats. So, what exactly makes up the nutritional powerhouse that is the avocado? Let's break it down. A single medium avocado packs about 240 calories, with a whopping 21 grams of fat. But here's the catch. Most of that fat is monounsaturated fat, particularly oleic acid, the same heart-healthy fat found in olive oil. Research suggests that monounsaturated fats can help improve cholesterol levels, support heart health, and may even play a role in controlling appetite. But avocados offer more than just healthy fats. They're also loaded with fiber, about 10 grams per fruit. Fiber slows down digestion, helps you feel full longer, and can prevent overeating. In fact, studies have shown that meals rich in fiber are linked to reduced calorie intake throughout the day. Avocados are also a good source of potassium, which helps balance sodium in the body, as well as vitamins E, C, and B6, and a host of antioxidants. So, where does the idea come from that avocados can help burn fat? It's not that eating avocados magically melts away body fat. Instead, the secret lies in how they affect your body's hunger hormones, metabolism, and the overall quality of your diet. Several scientific studies have explored the impact of avocados on weight management. One study published in the journal Nutrition found that people who added half an avocado to their lunch reported a significant decrease in hunger and a greater feeling of satisfaction for up to 5 hours afterward. This reduced desire to eat more could help prevent snacking on less healthy options later in the day. Another study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association had participants replace some saturated fats in their diets with an avocado a day. Not only did this improve their cholesterol levels, but it also helped regulate body weight. The theory is that the combination of healthy fats and fiber slows digestion and promotes satiety, making it easier to stick to a calorie-controlled diet. Moreover, emerging research suggests that monounsaturated fats may play a special role in how our bodies store and burn fat. Some studies indicate that diets higher in these healthy fats can help reduce visceral fat, the dangerous type that accumulates around internal organs and is linked to chronic diseases. Although more research is needed, these findings are promising for anyone trying to lose weight in a healthy, sustainable way. Of course, it's important not to fall into the trap of thinking that avocados are a miracle food. Eating too many, just like eating too much of anything, can still lead to weight gain. The key is moderation and understanding how avocados fit into your overall diet. Swapping processed snacks or saturated fats for avocado slices on your toast or salad can be a smart move, but balance is always essential. Expert opinions tend to agree. Avocados are a valuable addition to a balanced diet, especially when they replace less healthy fats or highly processed foods. Registered dietitians often recommend avocados for people who want to manage their weight, not just because they're filling, but because they make healthy eating more enjoyable. When food tastes good and satisfies you, you're more likely to stick with your nutrition plan in the long run. So, Let's recap what we've learned. Despite their high fat content, avocados are rich in the kind of fats that support heart health and can help regulate appetite. Their fiber content keeps you full longer, and they're packed with vitamins and minerals your body needs. Scientific studies suggest that including avocados in your diet can help you feel satisfied and make it easier to maintain a healthy weight, especially when they replace less nutritious foods. But remember, no single food will burn fat on its own. Lasting weight loss comes from a combination of healthy eating, regular activity, and smart lifestyle choices. Avocados can absolutely be part of that journey, but they work best when combined with a balanced diet and active lifestyle. So, the next time you're enjoying a slice of avocado toast or adding creamy chunks to your salad, you can feel good knowing you're making a choice that's not only delicious but also supports your health and weight goals. Don't fear the fat in avocados. Embrace it as part of a wholesome, satisfying diet. If you found this deep dive into the science of avocados helpful, make sure to subscribe for more insights and tips on nutrition, healthy living, and the truth behind your favorite foods. Your journey to better health starts with knowledge, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.